can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Ethereum Classic. The last 1 month has seen Ethereum Classic rally up by 41%. The last one year has seen Ethereum Classic rally up by 68%. Ethereum Classic currently trades above $34. How high can we go in the coming days and coming weeks? That $4 level is proving very difficult for Ethereum Classic to rally. Can we get to new yearly highs? Can we get to new all-time highs? We'll take a look at key levels where Ethereum Classic can easily get rejected in the coming days and coming weeks. What's our exit plan for Ethereum in the forthcoming Altseason? Altseason is around the corner. Some people say Altseason has left us already. We look at Ethereum's valuation against Ethereum Classic's valuation against Bitcoin, and finally we look at Ethereum Classic's valuation we look at Ethereum Classic's market cap, which currently sits around the $5.5 billion level. How high can Ethereum Classic go in the coming days and coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. If you're new to this channel, you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. Ethereum Classic currently trades around $34. That's the highest price we've seen it trade in 2024. We saw it getting to as high as the $39 level in March of 2024. But since then, guys, we have been stuck below the $39 level. Ethereum Classic has not been able to set new highs. A lot of the altcoin market has been pumping. There's been a lot of FOMO. We expect Ethereum Classic to join in that party. Even though it's outperforming Bitcoin, the last 1 month has seen it rally up by 42%. Let's take a look at some key details about Ethereum Classic. We're expecting Ethereum Classic to be one of the biggest gainers from this point on to the end of the cycle. Ethereum Classic is up to the $5.17 billion level. The fully diluted market cap sitting at $7.27 billion. Out of 210.7 million Ethereum Classic tokens, we have 149.91 million of those tokens in circulation. How high can Ethereum Classic go? We saw the all-time highs on the 6th of May 2021. Ethereum Classic traded for as high as $176. Right now, it's down 80% from the all-time highs. If you want to buy or sell some Ethereum Classics, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Ethereum Classic right there. There's extreme greed in cryptocurrency market right now, guys. All coins are pumping front, left, and center. Take a look at Ethereum Classic valuation against Bitcoin. Ethereum Classic usually has its most powerful pump at the end of the cycle. In 2021, that's what happened. So Ethereum Classic rallying up by more than 1,300% in the last 35 days of a bull market. Now, history doesn't repeat itself exactly, but it rhymes. We've seen Ethereum Classic dump to Goblin Town from May of 2021. We saw Ethereum Classic dumping. It dumped from as high as $176, dumping to $12. That was a 92% decline in 420 days. The altcoin market is the most volatile market in the world. Very, very volatile in both directions. We can easily see big swings to the upside. At the same time, we can easily see big swings to the downside. We've seen Ethereum Classic going sideways since the 13th of June 2022. We have seen it rally up to as high as the $44 level, but that's the highest we've seen Ethereum trade. The last time Ethereum was trading that high was before Ethereum's merge in August of 2022. Since then, we have been in a giant consolidation period that has gone on for more than 910 days. I believe it's time for Ethereum Classic to pump to higher prices. I believe it's time for Ethereum Classic to start setting new yearly highs, maybe even breaking the highest price of Ethereum Classic trade in 2 years. My first target for Ethereum Classic, as this pump has started, I believe this is the exit pump. This is the final pump. First, the $51 level will be very, very interesting to watch out for. The $51 level from where we're currently trading, we need Ethereum Classic to rally up by around 50% for us to get there, which is very, very possible, which can happen very, very quickly. And if we continue pumping, we might see Ethereum Classic get to as high as that $75 level in no time. Guys, the final part of the bull market is always the most interesting part. That's where most of the gains are going to be made. And if Ethereum Classic is going to make an attempt to set new all-time highs in this cycle, we will need to see one of the biggest pumps we have seen for Ethereum Classic. We will need to see another epic 395% pump, or approximately a 400% pump in the right direction. That's higher prices. We have to see a bullish pump of more than 400% in the coming days and the coming weeks. And there may be some signs that pump might happen. We have to pay attention to what Ethereum Classic is doing against Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin is down to gobbling town. It has been dumping aggressively since April of 2021. We've seen Ethereum Classic lose 91% of its value against Bitcoin. But I believe we're going to see one of those long God candles for Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin. In the previous bull market, we saw those candles, and in just 49 days, Ethereum Classic outperformed Bitcoin by more than 1,300%. It might not go up 1,300% against Bitcoin, but a 100 or a 200% pump is very, very possible in a short period of time. You could easily see Ethereum Classic go up 200 or 300% against Bitcoin. A lot of smart players are going to be flipping their Bitcoin into the altcoin market. They have made huge gains in Bitcoin bull run. Bitcoin went from $15,000 to as high as $100,000. I was assuming a lot of smart market participants that made those huge gains will be trying to make more gains, flipping those Bitcoin gains into the altcoin market. Even Ethereum Classic's performance against Ethereum is nothing to write home about, but the final phases of the bull market will see it pumping aggressively. So also, Ethereum Classic could outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum by more than 200 or 300% in the coming days and the coming weeks. But you want to have a plan, you want to plan your trade. Guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you take some profits off the table. The higher you go, the more you want to realize those gains. The bear market is always around the corner. The dump comes after the pump. Right now, we're enjoying the pump. Let's not kid ourselves thinking the pump will last forever. After the pump comes the dump. What matters well is what you do with the pump, because when the bear market comes, we're going to see cheap prices again. When the bear market comes, only those who took advantage of the bull run will be able to survive that bear market. Guys, the bear market is always brutal. That's why in the bull market, you want to take advantage of those bull markets well, so that when the bear market comes, you can be getting cheap prices. Now, Ethereum Classic market cap has not gotten above the $6 billion level. The last time I saw Ethereum Classic market cap trading above $6 billion was in March of 2022. An important target to watch out for Ethereum Classic's market cap will not be that $6 billion level. I believe we can rally above that $6 billion level. That will be the $10 billion region. The last time we saw Ethereum Classic trading there was way after the bull market. That was in August of 2021. For Ethereum Classic to get to that $10 billion region on this market cap chart, we need to see about 100% pump in the up direction, in the right direction, and I believe Ethereum Classic could blast to new all-time highs, but that will require Ethereum Classic pumping by around 300% to the right side. Now, for Ethereum Classic to pump 300%, we need a lot of things to go in our favor. We need people to start flipping their Bitcoin gains to Ethereum Classic, but it's very possible for Ethereum Classic to do that. The $20 billion level is not a far-fetched price target. But guys, don't make the mistake of overestimating how far we can go. I'm sure a lot of people will be thinking Ethereum Classic can go to $1,000, $2,000. Guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. And remember, we can't keep pumping to the moon forever. At some point in time, the bull run will come to an end. When there's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market, you want to sell for some sweet profit. When there's extreme greed, historically, that's always been a good time to take some profits off the table, because we're going to enter a period of extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, and only those smart players that took advantage of higher prices in extreme greed will be able to survive. If you take a look at the altcoin season index, it tells us right now we're in an altcoin month. We just left an altcoin month. We've been very fortunate in this cycle to see an alt season and an altcoin month at the same time. But right now we're not in an altcoin season. We're still in an altcoin month. So maybe, just maybe, the next few days will be enough for Ethereum Classic to get to that key price target. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. Do you think Ethereum Classic can rally above $160, setting a new all-time highs? Do you believe the market cap can get above $20 billion, setting a new all-time highs? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investments in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.